This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both the AirPods and the host device. Put the AirPods Pro 2 in your ears, make sure the case is charged, and pair immediately. Pairing creates the audio path you need. On iPhone or Mac, open Bluetooth settings, select the AirPods, and confirm they're the active audio device. Make sure the microphone is set to left, right, or automatic so the system knows which bud to use. Once done, you're ready to route audio into apps. Now, direct the app to use the AirPods as the input. In your recording or conferencing app, open Audio Settings and explicitly choose AirPods Pro 2 for microphone or input. Some apps default to the built-in mic, so change it. Adjust input gain or volume so your voice isn't clipping, and enable noise suppression or voice isolation when available to tighten clarity. Make a quick test recording or call to verify levels, because visual meters tell you when sound is neither too low nor too. Finish by validating performance and knowing one simple fix. Record a short sample, listen for clarity and background noise. If the AirPods drop audio or stutter, turn Bluetooth off and on, reset the AirPods, then repair. This fixes most connection issues. If your voice is thin, move the bud to the ear with the active mic, increase app input gain, and reduce competing Bluetooth devices nearby. If problems persist, restart the host device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.